Hi everybody, welcome to the last lecture of the course Learn Python. What is next after you finish your course? What do I learn after I learned Python? You can learn web development, artificial intelligence, development of computer application, software development, or working with animation, or processing script, speed up work scripting, web development using Python. There is front-end section. You can learn HTML or CSS or JavaScript or jQuery library, Bootstrap library, Font Awesome library. All of this you can learn to do or to make a good website. Backend section, database. You can work with MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and so on. To use Python in artificial intelligence, there is many application for this using of AI, artificial intelligence. I will try to make another course for the artificial intelligence especially. Best Python framework for building a desktop application and the GUI. First one is PyQt. This is the view of the application and the Windows built by this application. It can work with Windows, Macintosh, Linux, Android, iOS. tk-enter. This is the application, tk-enter with its Windows. Kiwi. It is suitable for mobile device application. WXPython. This is the application screen. It is easy and simple with many tools. GUI. It is the most beautiful view of the application with colored buttons and background of forms. You can use the fonts also. Special thanks to harmash.com to help us in this course. This is Ayman Khushoui. For any question you can contact me during Q&A, question and answer, and goodbye.